Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for your daily dose of sugar.
Hey guys, as you already know, we have a huge giveaway going on. So stay till the end to know about the giveaway. For now, let's head on to the video.
Let's start today's makeup by spraying some mist on the face. This is a great hack that you can follow not only after but before the makeup. For the next step, use a moisturizer in coin-sized quantity and use the warmth of your fingers to massage it well in a circular motion. This also helps avoid flaky skin. Moving on to the foundation, always pick the shade that matches your actual skin tone because choosing the wrong one can make your skin look ashy. You can use a beauty blender or the inbuilt brush to blend your foundation well. Now when it comes to concealer, go for 1 to 2 shades lighter than your foundation shade. Apply it on your T-zone, under eyes, targeted areas and blend it well. Let's move on to contouring, the difficult but most important step as it gives definition to your face. Draw lines as shown in the video and blend well. If you don't have a contour stick, you can also use brown lipstick. Next step is to set the base that you've just achieved, and the technique is called baking. This prevents your base from creasing and it helps your makeup last longer. Let the powder stay for a few minutes and dust it off using a fluffy brush. Doing your brows can be a little tricky, so try to achieve naturally fuller looking brows by starting with light strokes and leaving 2 to 3 mm space at the beginning. Now add some blush to your cheeks and make sure the shade complements your lipstick color. By the way, this creme blush works really well as a lip tint. For the eyes, create a quick smoky eye by applying kohl on your eyelids and blend it with black eyeshadow. Use a neutral shade to blend on the crease and repeat the colors on the lower lash line. A quick hack is to spray mist on the brush for maximum color payoff, especially for shimmery shades. To finish your eye look, apply at least 2 to 3 coats of mascara. Next step is to highlight your cheekbones, bridge of the nose and other high points of the face. Use your fingers for blending. Let's create trendy lips with 2 shades of lipstick. Use the darker one to outline and medium or light color to fill in the rest. Blend it well for quick ombre lips. The final step is to set your makeup with a mist. Spray 2 to 3 times in an X and a T motion. And you're done! Hope you guys like this quick and easy makeup look. Let us know in the comments what are your festive essentials.
Well, that's it for today. Now guys, please head over to the video that you're seeing on screen to participate in our contest. Answer a simple question over there and stand a chance to win sugar goodies worth rupees 10,000. Good luck!